Yeah, I mean, I think it's cool looking. The only problem is I'd probably only want to pay like $10 for both of them.
$10 for both of them?
Yeah, what were you thinking? I don't know what they're worth.
I don't know what they're worth either.
What's that? Thank you. It's my wife's. She just lets me use it. I almost missed you. Yeah, I almost missed you. I didn't see you tucked back here in the under area. How are you doing this morning?
Oh, I'm doing great. It's a beautiful day, isn't it?
It's not bad. It's not bad.
A little chill in the air, but it should be for the fall.
Yeah, I'm not freezing. I'm not shivering. So that's a good thing. Oh, look at it. You got all these shelves set up. You got a whole thing here.
We got a whole thing. So my wife put stickers on everything, but everything's English.
Okay.
I know you need that snowblower. Come on,
Where is it? I didn't even see it.
It's over there by the shed.
Oh, yeah. We get so much snow here.
The pair of skis.
Yeah, I mean, those are cool old skis.
I don't know much about them. I think they're cross country, aren't they?
If it lifts out. Let me look. Yeah, they look like cross country. So what does an oscilloscope do?
An oscilloscope is used like in TV radio repair.
Okay.
If you wanted to, that oscilloscope when I was a kid,
Yeah.
which was probably 5-6 years ago. I remember my dad would take me, and he was TV radio repair. Back then, they'd go from home to home. You know, you'd call them up, and they'd come to your house, and because a lot of them had the big consoles.
Yeah.
So you'd work on them in their house.
Okay.
And you'd trace the circuit with that oscilloscope.
Okay.
But now being Halloween, it'd be good to set up a sine wave.
That'd be cool. So it turns on and stuff?
Oh, yeah.
It works?
Yeah.
How much are you asking on that? I didn't see a price tag.
Oh, I don't have one. You make me an offer. I don't even have no idea what it's worth. It's my dad's. I pulled it out of the shed. Conversation with sure if anybody else is interested.
Yeah, it's kind of cool.
That black thing there, that's a data scope.
That is?
Now that was used back in the day for, you set that up to trace the data coming into your network, like in
Okay.
modems and stuff. So if you're having problems with your networking, you set that up and monitor and check for data.
Yeah, I mean, I think it's cool looking. The only problem is I'd probably only want to pay like $10 for both of them.
$10 for both of them?
Yeah, what were you thinking? I don't know what they're worth.
I don't know what they're worth either. You want to give me $10 for both of them?
Yeah.
You can have them.
All right, cool. I'll buy those two. That's fine.
That's two that I don't have to put back on in the shed on the shelf.
Let me keep looking, see what else I can
All right.
find. But we're at 10 for those two. My mom would like this one. She loves her little dog.
She got Poms?
She has Chihuahuas.
Which is
That's
cat,
cool.
which is, I think is mixed with Chihuahua.
Ah, okay.
So it's Pomeranian Chihuahua that made it smaller. I call her a little jerk.
They will.
16 years old, so I guess she's earned that right.
Yeah, I have a Chihuahua, and he's 14, and He doesn't want to pee all over, but sometimes he just can't help it.
Yeah.
You know. It's an old thermos. I'm just playing with your stuff.
Yeah, you're welcome. That's why it's out there. Now, there's something over there on that table. Now, if you thought those other two things...
Okay, which table?
That same table, the cool table.
Okay.
Look at that saw.
Oh, this thing? Oh, wow.
That was the predecessor to the jigsaw before a jigsaw was patented.
Wow.
This saw was back in the 1800s before they had electric motors, and it ran by a hit and miss motor.
Really?
Yep.
Wow.
Is that cool?
Yeah, and so you put the motor here, and then the belt turns it, basically?
Well, typically they'd have the hit and miss motor
cool.
off to the side, and then that belt might run a number of them.
Okay.
And that was in a line in Endicott Johnson.
Yeah.
Leather on shoes way back in the 1800s.
Wow. Huh. That is neat. Yeah.
But
Wow.
but it still works.
That's cool.
That's a cool thing, isn't it?
That is really cool. They found a way to do it, even back then.
Yep.
These wet things are cold, though.
Yeah.
Alright, what else do I want? How much is the Dean saw? How much is that Dean saw?
Oh, that's another thing. I had no idea what to put on.
Yeah.
I don't know what to do about that. I'm gonna probably put that online
That's fine.
because I have no idea what to ask for.
Yeah. You put it at auction or something. See what someone will pay for it.
Yeah, that's what I'd love to have it come to.
Alright. How much are these things? I find only stuff without pricing. That's what I do.
All right. Make me an offer.
A buck a piece?
Okay, sure.
Yeah. Alright, so I think I'm at 12 bucks. Do you have any change?
Yeah, I do.
Alright. I've got, I think I've just got a 20. There you go.
Oh.
Yeah, so a stiff morning.
You don't work much in the morning when you get a little older. Oh.
I'm gonna carry these big heavy things out to my truck.
Alright.
Whew. Yeah, I'm betting some of the tools on that oscilloscope look a lot like the tool I used to use, the little electronic tool I used to use when I was a cable guy.
Now here's something you might like to see. This old box.
Oh, cool.
Can't have it though.
No, yeah, that's
Look,
cool though.
It's got that
Wow.
old.
Yeah.
Here's your change.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, it is a little chilly.
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, this thing is super cool. I just don't know. Would not know what to ask for it. It's got
No, yeah, I don't know.
Serious museum piece.
Yeah. Henlin Corp? Dean saw, we could look it up.
No, I tried.
You can't even look it up?
I can't find nothing on it.
Let me look it up. Henlin Dean saw. There was one website, I think you have to pay to be a member of it, that like looks up values of old items. Yeah, I don't see anything on here at all.
No.
Yeah. Maybe an antique collector
Yeah.
would know. I don't know. Wow, that's crazy. Yeah, it is really neat though.
The guy that gave it to my dad was telling them that they called it the Dean saw, and he burned it in here with his own thing, and it went to patent.
Okay.
It was the patent to the jigsaw.
Huh.
How much of that is true, I don't know.
Yeah.
You
That's
know?
still a really cool conversation piece.
That's a cool
Yeah.
story, right? Yeah.
Cool. Hey, thanks, man. It's been fun.
All right. Have a
I'm gonna go hit a couple more. Yeah, no problem, man. Hey guys, I wanted to do a really quick wrap up for this video. This video has been sitting, waiting to be uploaded for like 4 or 5 months. I didn't do it because I didn't make any money. But I realized it's probably good to show the sales where you make no money, just like when you show the ones you make money. Everything was broken. So that big black box thingy I bought was broken. The oscilloscope was broken. None of it turned on. And it makes sense because it was all sitting in like wet dew. So it was all very wet. I think all the electronics got wet. And so it ended up being broken and worth nothing. I listed the oscilloscope. It's actually right up there, I think. And I listed it for 40 bucks or something, parts only. No one's bought it. There is some sold on that thing, I think for like 60 bucks if they work, but it doesn't work. Either does the black thing. I got that little like, I don't even remember if I left this in the footage, but I bought a little, I think it was Bugs Bunny plastic bowl. I use it all the time, actually. It's this right here. I didn't list this because it smelled bad, but it doesn't smell bad anymore. It smelled like cigarettes when I first bought it. And I bought another thing there. Yeah, that one doesn't smell anymore. But I think I also bought like a metal bowl there. Never even looked it up because it stunk so bad of cigarettes. I feel like they used it as an ashtray. So this sale was a complete bust. I made nothing, but the guy was super nice. I had a fun time. I don't regret going there, giving him a little money and hanging out with that guy because he was so nice. But yeah, didn't make a profit. Thank you for watching. Hopefully next time is a little bit better. Make sure you subscribe.